probably wondering why I'm in a hoodie in Saudi Arabia, outside, in a cab. It's because it's raining. And I'm from the UK, guys. If you know or don't know, I'm from the UK. The UK is where I'm from. London, North London to be specific. And, you know, tell me if I'm wrong. Please tell me if I'm wrong. If I'm lying, please just tell me. When it comes to the UK and the UK weather, it's not fair. And we get disrespected, yeah? Like, we probably get 6 weeks of sun for the whole year. Yeah, 6 weeks of sun for the whole year.